Hello and welcome to Fix and Drive. Today I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs on a 2006 to 2013 BMW 328i. You can click on the link in the upper right corner or down in the description on the video I made on how to remove the engine cover. I went with the NGK Laser Platinum spark plugs. I'll post a link in the description below. So from what I read, you want to set the gap to 0.030 using a spark plug gapper. To remove BMW spark plugs, you'll need to use a 12-point spark plug socket. So sometimes you have to put a lot of effort straight and then work it loose. Alright. I'd say not great, but not the worst either. Okay. Put some ACs on there. Okay, we'll thread it backwards till it clicks. There we go. And we'll turn it, work it. Okay, then we'll torque it down 17 foot-pounds. Then we'll have to kind of work the bolt back off. There we go. Okay. Put the coil pack back on. Push it down. Line it up with that groove right there. Okay. And then we'll secure it down. Alright. Then I'll plug it back in. Just kind of push a little bit until it closes. Secure it down. Here, click. Plug it out of the way. Open up the that one. Alright, let's put the ACs on the threads. Okay. Pop it in the socket. Alright, off. Try to bring the socket with it. There we go. Solenoid, or I keep calling them solenoids, but they're just coil packs. Snap back on. Our booting sealed and that's lined up. Plug it back in. Okay. Secure it down. There we go. Okay, so let's slide this all the way in there. Okay, 17 foot-pounds. Oops, I hate when this happens. So I'm gonna fish the spark plug. There we go. Okay. Slide it through here. Okay. And then just kind of get on like that, and then lock it down. Same as the other ones. Get that open. Okay. There you go. Okay, we'll set that aside and show it. Okay, so we're going to put this on now, tighten it down. Be sure to put anti-seize on it. Okay. Sometimes this happens, and that's what these are for. Just be careful not to damage the spark plug. It does the trick. Okay, let this be. Now we're going to work on this one. I'm wondering how friendly this is going to be with this bar right here. We'll find out. I do not want to have to take this off. Okay, unplug it, move that out of the way. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. A shorter one. Let's see if this will work in this space. Okay. Alright, seems like this might work. Alright, well, it's like I need to add some torque, so I like to hook a vice grip. And just give it a little bit extra torque. So you got to kind of work your way under, get it around. Okay, so add some grease, anti-seize to it. Threads there. Behind the, yeah. It seems to slide it in. Okay, there we go. Throw it backward. Alright, 17 foot-pounds. Got it. Perfect. Okay, so go kind of behind it. Good to go. Done. I'll try this going underneath. There you go. Seems to work best. Go behind. Slide it down. Secure it on. Plug it back in. Okay, and then the last one. Here we go. All right, got it. Should fit right there. Perfect. There we go. Okay. Okay, put some ACs. And backwards. Okay, felt the click. Okay. And tighten it down. Okay. There we go. Got it. Okay. Then we put the coil pack back in. Okay, we have all the spark plugs changed. Alright, so now with all the new spark plugs, I'm going to open the garage door, turn on the fans, start up the engine, see how it runs, and then we'll put all the covers back on. Okay, so that's how I changed the spark plugs on a 2006 to 2013 BMW 328i. This is a fairly straightforward process, and when you do it yourself, this can save you a lot of money. I hope this information was helpful. Please like and subscribe to support this channel. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless.